Andrew here, Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions. We are going to talk about the G4 StatClave made by Scican. Come on in, I'll show you a little more about it. This is an 11-inch by 15-inch chamber. It holds 13.2 pounds of instruments, which is amazing. The biggest competitor tabletop is only 9. It comes with multiple accessories. It'll come with 4 trays like this. Show you this real quick. The chamber is stainless steel, again similar to the Bravo product, real easy to clean. Also comes with these racks for smaller handpiece, smaller little packs and instruments wrapped. Put a couple of those in there. It comes with some heating plates for the cassettes. Like so. And then if you want to put some even bigger options in there, you line your cassettes in there, and then you come in and you stack these in between them. Oops, I'm going to take my time, slow down. We sell this product for $7,100, 2-year warranty on our website, statimusa.com. Basically, it'll fit something like this with the cassette. But yeah, so it comes with multiple options. It will connect directly to the drain, or it can connect to a waste bottle. It's super fast, 50-minute cycle for these 13.2 pounds. It's got closed door drying. It's got a water quality sensor. This is the water reservoir. This is where you put the fresh water. This is your biofilter, and this is your door gasket. Biofilter replaced every quarter, door gasket replaced every quarter. Wrapped, unwrapped, hollow unwrapped. Beautiful machine. Give us a call, 704-966-1650. If you're in the Clearwater area, we might be able to schedule a demo. Thank you.